Greetings and welcome back to my garage. It's time for us to start a new chapter of our stay-at-home situation, our distance learning. So one of the key parts to that is going to be you having access to your own email through the school district. This isn't you going out and signing up for Hotmail or Gmail or anything like that. You already, without you knowing it, since kindergarten, have had your own email address through Microsoft Office in the school. It's the same one you'll have until you're a senior and you're graduating. So the key is for you to be able to get into that. So that's what part of this video is going to be today. That's our goal this week, is for you to be able to log into that email, and then you and I can communicate that way, and I can send you links to things we're going to be doing as a class. So what you'll need to do is get a device handy. Tablet, could even be phone, laptop. Get it handy. Well, wait a minute, if you're watching this, you probably already have one handy. Okay, well, when you're done watching this, what you're going to want to do is head to Google. Now, once you've gotten to Google, it doesn't matter which browser you use to get there. You go to the search bar right here and type in Office 365. And you'll see that they're popping up underneath there. The first one on there is Office 365. Click on that. Should take you to this screen. First one on the list, Office 365 Login. That's what you want. Click on that. You have two choices, Get Office, we can do that later, or Sign In. Go ahead and sign in. Now this screen will pop up. Here's where it gets good. You type in your 09 number like you were logging into a computer at school. I just put dots in here because I don't know yours. The only difference between this and you signing in with a computer at school is you have to also put in @nkschools.org after your number. And that's the only real difference, just @nkschools.org after it, then click Next. Here you can see I've already typed in my password and it's hidden so you can't see it. You'll type in yours like you would at school, and then it will ask you, do you want to stay signed in? I usually say no. Then you'll come to this screen. Look at all those little programs we have access to now. The one we want to talk about today is Outlook, the first one on the list. So don't worry about the rest of that stuff. Click on Outlook. It'll load up, and you should get right to what's called your inbox. This is going to be where all your new mail that's just shown up is at, and you probably will just have one. You can see I've got a little bit of a list here, but you should just have one. Click on it. My email to you should pop up, and it's congratulating you, but then at the bottom it's asking you to now reply to me. You don't have to worry about knowing my email address. You're just going to reply. To do that, you head to the upper right-hand corner. You'll see some icons. You'll see reply, reply all, forward. You just want the single arrow, reply. Click on reply, and a box will pop open. Right inside here, you can just start typing your message back to me. It's already addressed to me up top, so you don't have to worry about that. You type in a little message, hi, Mr. Kuntz, whatever you want to say. And then once you've got your message typed, head to the blue button down below that says send. And that's all you really have to do. It'll come to me next. You can see there's plenty of other stuff on this page. Don't be distracted. Once you've got yourself all typed up, again, push the blue button and you're done. Okay, so if you can reply to me, then that means you can get into Office 365, and that'll give us access to all the rest of those items in the Microsoft suite. Forms and Teams and some stuff we'll talk about in the next couple weeks. Later on this week, I'll also put a short video up about Epic Books. It was in our Week at a Glance, and some of you have already been poking around in Epic Books. Great website. You all have a little accounts on there now. So we'll take this nice and slow. Will it be a little bit different? Yeah. Will we get through it? Sure. Will I continue to ask questions and then answer them myself? Apparently. I too.